Do you feel like the years you've spent struggling and facing setbacks were wasted? Perhaps you think you've missed out on opportunities, or that life's difficulties have kept you from reaching your true potential. What if I told you that God is about to restore all those years you thought were lost? Imagine the excitement and hope of knowing that everything you've been through has a purpose, and that a divine transformation is just around the corner. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a reality for those who recognize the signs of God's restoration. Stay with me as we explore these signs that show this incredible transformation is closer than you think. This is a journey of rediscovery and renewal, where God takes the shattered pieces of your past and crafts them into a beautiful, meaningful future. Understanding the signs that God is about to restore your wasted years is crucial. If you overlook these signs, you might miss the opportunity for renewal and growth that God is preparing for you. The consequences of not recognizing these divine signals could be a continuation of the cycle of struggle and missed opportunities. These signs are like a roadmap, guiding you toward the path of restoration and blessing. God often uses these signs to communicate that change is coming, and being aware of them can open doors to a brighter future. By recognizing these signs, you are aligning yourself with the divine plan that is set to transform your life. This awareness not only gives you hope, but also prepares you to embrace the restoration that God has in store. Understanding these signs can change your path, enabling you to step into a future filled with possibilities and fulfillment. One of the most significant signs that God is about to restore your wasted years is a renewed sense of hope and positivity. When you suddenly feel hopeful and positive, despite past hardships, it's a sign that God is working to restore your lost years. This shift in mindset is not just a random occurrence, but a divine signal that change is imminent. You begin to see possibilities where there were once only obstacles. This newfound optimism gives you the courage to dream again and to believe that better days are ahead. This hope is not rooted in wishful thinking, but in the understanding that God has a plan for your life. It is a hope that grows from the realization that everything you have been through has prepared you for this moment of transformation. You may notice that you start to focus more on the positive aspects of your life rather than dwelling on past failures. This shift in perspective allows you to attract positive energy and opportunities, setting the stage for restoration. As you embrace this renewed sense of hope, you find yourself more motivated to pursue your goals and dreams. You start to believe that the things you desire are within reach, and this belief fuels your actions. You are inspired to take steps toward your aspirations, knowing that God is guiding you and that His plans for you are good. This hope becomes a driving force, propelling you forward and helping you overcome any lingering doubts or fears. The change in your mindset also impacts your interactions with others. You become a source of inspiration and encouragement, spreading positivity and hope wherever you go. Your light shines brighter, drawing people towards you who resonate with this energy. You start to build relationships with individuals who uplift and support you, further reinforcing the sense that restoration is near. This network of positive influences helps you stay focused on the path to renewal, providing the strength and encouragement needed to move forward. In this season of restoration, it is essential to nurture this hope and allow it to guide your decisions and actions. Trust that God is working behind the scenes, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring about the restoration of your wasted years. Let this hope be a constant reminder that you are not alone and that divine intervention is at work in your life. By holding on to this hope, you position yourself to receive the blessings and opportunities that God has in store for you. Another powerful sign that God is about to restore your wasted years is the experience of unexplainable peace amidst chaos. This peace is not merely an absence of conflict. It is a profound sense of calm and assurance that transcends understanding. In the midst of life's storms, when everything seems uncertain, this peace serves as a comforting reminder that God is in control and working behind the scenes to restore and renew your life. This sense of peace is a gift from God, a sign that He is actively involved in your journey. You may find that even when situations are challenging or when others are worried, you remain calm and collected. This tranquility allows you to navigate through difficulties with grace and resilience, knowing that God's plans for you are unfolding as they should. Experiencing this peace can transform how you approach challenges. Instead of reacting with fear or anxiety, you begin to trust that everything will work out for your good. This shift in attitude enables you to focus on solutions rather than problems, empowering you to take constructive action toward your goals. This peace gives you clarity and wisdom, allowing you to make decisions with confidence and faith. This inner peace also affects your relationships with others. You become a source of stability and reassurance, providing comfort to those around you. Your calm presence can inspire and encourage others to seek the same peace in their lives. As you share this gift, you create an environment of harmony and positivity, attracting like-minded individuals who value and support your journey toward restoration. This peace is a reminder that God is walking alongside you, guiding you through the uncertainties of life. It assures you that, regardless of the circumstances, you are safe in His hands. By embracing this peace, you open yourself to the possibility of transformation and growth, positioning yourself to receive the restoration that God has promised. Allow this peace to anchor you, keeping you grounded and centered as you move forward on your path to renewal. A significant sign that God is restoring your wasted years is the sudden appearance of new opportunities. These opportunities may come in various forms: career advancements, personal growth, or unexpected blessings that seem perfectly aligned with your dreams and desires. When doors you thought were closed begin to open, it's a clear indication that God is aligning things in your favor, preparing you for a season of abundance and fulfillment. These opportunities are not coincidental. They are divine orchestrations that serve as stepping stones to the future God has planned for you. As you begin to notice these openings, it is essential to approach them with gratitude and an open heart, recognizing them as signs of God's favor and timing. As these opportunities arise, you may feel a renewed sense of purpose and direction. You gain clarity about your path and the steps needed to achieve your goals. This newfound direction empowers you to pursue your dreams with vigor and determination, knowing that God is guiding your journey. You become more attuned to the possibilities around you, allowing you to seize these moments of potential with confidence and enthusiasm. The presence of these opportunities also challenges you to grow and develop new skills. As you embrace these challenges, you expand your horizons and capabilities, preparing yourself for even greater blessings ahead. This growth process enhances your self-esteem and belief in your abilities, reinforcing the notion that you are on the right path. Moreover, these opportunities often bring you into contact with new people and networks, expanding your circle of influence and support. You find yourself surrounded by individuals who share your vision and values, creating a community of encouragement and collaboration. These relationships become instrumental in helping you achieve your goals, providing the resources and guidance needed to navigate this new phase of life. Recognizing and embracing these opportunities is crucial to experiencing the fullness of God's restoration. Approach each opportunity with faith and gratitude, trusting that they are part of God's perfect plan for your life. By doing so, you position yourself to receive the abundance and blessings that God has in store, paving the way for a future filled with hope and promise. Another sign that God is restoring your wasted years is the strengthening of your relationships. Mending broken relationships or forming new, meaningful connections can be a sign that God is restoring what was lost. These relationships are not only a source of support and encouragement, but also a reflection of the healing and transformation taking place in your life. As God begins to restore your wasted years, you may find that past misunderstandings or conflicts with loved ones are resolved. The barriers that once hindered your relationships are broken down, allowing for reconciliation and healing. This restoration brings a new depth and understanding to your connections, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation that may have been absent before. This strengthening of relationships is a testament to the work that God is doing in your life. It is a reminder that He is not only interested in your personal growth, but also in the quality of your interactions with others. These renewed relationships become a source of joy and fulfillment, enhancing your overall well-being and happiness. At the same time, you may also encounter new individuals who become important parts of your life. These new relationships are often characterized by mutual respect, shared values, and a deep understanding of each other's journeys. They provide the support and encouragement needed to continue on your path to restoration and fulfillment. These strengthened relationships are a blessing and a responsibility. They require effort and commitment to maintain and nurture, ensuring that they remain a source of strength and support. As you invest in these connections, you contribute to their growth and resilience, creating a network of love and encouragement that can withstand the challenges of life. Ultimately, the strengthening of your relationships is a sign of God's faithfulness and love. It is a reminder that you are never alone on your journey and that He is working through the people in your life to bring about healing and restoration. Embrace these relationships with gratitude and openness, knowing that they are an integral part of the restoration that God is bringing into your life. As God begins to restore your wasted years, you may experience a renewed sense of purpose. This is a powerful sign that God is aligning your life with His divine plan, guiding you toward the destiny He has prepared for you. Finding clarity in your life's purpose is a strong sign that God is restoring your path and guiding you forward. This renewed purpose often emerges as a deep conviction about what you are meant to do in this life. You may find yourself drawn to activities and pursuits that align with your values and passions, bringing you a sense of fulfillment and joy. This clarity helps you focus your energy and resources on what truly matters, allowing you to make meaningful contributions to the world. Having a clear sense of purpose also impacts your daily decisions and actions. You become more intentional in your choices, ensuring that each step you take aligns with your greater goals and aspirations. This focus gives you the motivation and drive to overcome obstacles and persevere through challenges, knowing that your efforts are leading you toward a higher calling. As you embrace this renewed purpose, you begin to see your past experiences in a new light. What once seemed like wasted years now appears as a series of lessons and preparation for this moment of clarity and direction. This perspective shift allows you to forgive yourself and others for past mistakes, freeing you to move forward with confidence and hope. This renewed sense of purpose not only benefits you but also inspires those around you. Your passion and dedication can motivate others to seek their own purpose and live their lives with intention and meaning. By sharing your journey and the insights you have gained, you become a beacon of hope and encouragement, demonstrating the power of God's restoration in action. Embrace this renewed sense of purpose as a gift from God, a sign that He is actively guiding your steps and leading you toward a future filled with promise and fulfillment. Trust that as you align yourself with His plan, you will continue to experience growth, transformation, and restoration in all areas of your life. Overcoming past fears and doubts is another significant sign that God is restoring your wasted years. When you find the strength to face and overcome past fears, it's a sign that God is preparing you for new beginnings. This process of confronting and releasing old anxieties is a crucial step in your journey toward healing and transformation. As God works to restore your life, you may notice a newfound courage to address the fears and doubts that have held you back. These fears, which once seemed insurmountable, begin to lose their power as you gain confidence in your abilities and trust in God's plan. This transformation allows you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new opportunities with boldness and faith. This overcoming of fears often involves a process of self-reflection and introspection. You may find yourself examining the root causes of your anxieties and seeking ways to address and resolve them. This process of self-discovery helps you gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your unique strengths, empowering you to move forward with confidence and clarity. As you release these fears and doubts, you create space for new possibilities and opportunities. You become more open to change and growth, willing to take risks and explore new paths. This openness allows you to fully embrace the restoration that God is bringing into your life, enabling you to experience the fullness of His blessings. The courage to overcome past fears also impacts your relationships and interactions with others. You become more authentic and vulnerable, willing to share your true self with those around you. This authenticity fosters deeper connections and trust, creating a supportive environment that encourages growth and healing. Embrace this process of overcoming past fears and doubts as a sign of God's restoration in your life. Trust that as you let go of these old anxieties, You are making room for the new beginnings and blessings that God has in store. Allow this courage to guide you as you continue on your journey toward healing, growth, and transformation. Receiving unexpected blessings and favor is a clear sign that God is restoring your wasted years. These blessings, which often come when you least expect them, are a testament to God's love and faithfulness in your life. Receiving unexpected blessings is a sign that God is pouring favor into your life, restoring all that was lost. These blessings may come in various forms: financial provisions, career advancements, or personal breakthroughs that seem to align perfectly with your needs and desires. They are a reminder that God is actively involved in your journey, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring about His divine plan for your life. As you begin to notice these blessings, it is important to approach them with gratitude and humility. Recognize them as gifts from God, signs of His favor and provision. This attitude of gratitude not only honors God, but also opens your heart to receive even more blessings in the future. These unexpected blessings also serve as confirmation that you are on the right path. They validate your efforts and affirm that your actions align with God's plan. This affirmation encourages you to continue pursuing your goals and dreams, knowing that God is guiding and supporting you every step of the way. These blessings often extend beyond material or tangible forms, encompassing experiences and relationships that enrich your life. You may find yourself surrounded by supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you, reinforcing the sense that you are not alone on this journey. These relationships become a source of strength and inspiration, helping you stay focused and motivated as you move forward. Embrace these unexpected blessings and favors as a sign of God's restoration in your life. Trust that He is working to bring about His perfect plan, aligning your path with His purpose. Allow these blessings to inspire and encourage you as you continue on your journey toward healing, growth, and transformation. The signs of God's restoration are powerful indicators that He is actively working to transform your life. Each sign serves as a reminder of His love and faithfulness, guiding you toward a future filled with hope and promise. As you recognize and embrace these signs, you align yourself with God's divine plan, opening the door to new beginnings and opportunities. This journey of restoration is not without its challenges, but with each step, you grow stronger and more resilient. You gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your purpose, allowing you to move forward with confidence and clarity. This transformation impacts every aspect of your life, from your relationships and career to your personal growth and spiritual journey. As you embrace the restoration that God is bringing into your life, remember that you are not alone. God is walking alongside you, guiding your steps and providing the support and encouragement needed to succeed. Trust in His timing and His plan, knowing that He is working all things together for your good. This process of restoration is an opportunity to rediscover your true potential and fulfill the destiny that God has prepared for you. Embrace it with gratitude and faith, knowing that the best is yet to come. As you continue on this journey, may you experience the fullness of God's blessings and the joy of living a life aligned with His purpose.